27-year-old construction worker charged for ammunition and narcotic possession. Jamal Anthony, a 27-year-old construction worker residing in Hope Estate, East Coast Demerara, and Guyhoc Park Squatting Area, Georgetown, was arrested on February 14, 2024, and formally charged on February 16, 2024, with multiple offenses related to possession of ammunition and narcotics. Anthony was charged with the following offenses: possession of ammunition without license, contrary to Section 16(2)(a) of the Firearms Act, Chapter 1605, involving 8 12-gauge shotgun cartridges and 4.38 rounds of ammunition. Possession of narcotic for the purpose of trafficking, contrary to Section 5(1)(ai) of the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Control Act, Chapter 10-10, involving 42 grams of cannabis. Cultivating a prohibited plant, contrary to Section 8(1)(ai) of the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Control Act, Chapter 10-10. Anthony appeared at the Vigilance Magistrates Court before Senior Magistrate Fabayo Azore at 11 o'clock hours today, where the charges were read to him. He pleaded not guilty to all charges. Bail was refused, and he was remanded to prison. The matters were subsequently transferred to the Cove and John Magistrates Court for March 26, 2024. The Guyana Police Force remains committed to combating illegal activities and ensuring the safety and security of all citizens.